Looking for the ultimate romantic escape in Mexico's stunning Riviera Maya? Let me tell you about El Dorado Casitas Royale, a place that redefines what luxury means for couples seeking paradise. This is not your average beach resort where you're crammed into a standard hotel room with thin walls and mediocre food. This 5-star, adults-only sanctuary is designed exclusively for those 18 and over, which means you can finally enjoy your vacation without dodging beach balls or listening to crying babies at dinner. Opened back in 2009 as part of the prestigious Karisma Hotels and Resorts family, this boutique property has been perfecting the art of romantic getaways for over 15 years. The resort underwent major renovations in 2023 and 2024, refreshing everything from casita interiors to spa facilities, and guests have noticed the improvements immediately. We're talking better air conditioning, faster Wi-Fi, and modernized furnishings that elevate the entire experience. With consistent ratings hovering around 9.3 out of 10 on Booking.com and 4.7 out of 5 on Google, this place clearly knows how to keep couples happy. The resort has earned prestigious recognition including the AAA Five Diamond Award in 2024 and TripAdvisor Traveler's Choice Honors for multiple consecutive years. What really sets El Dorado Casitas Royale apart is their gourmet inclusive concept, which goes far beyond typical all-inclusive resorts. You're not limited to watered-down drinks and buffet lines here. Instead, expect unlimited access to premium top-shelf liquors, gourmet dining at 9 different venues, and 24-hour room service that actually delivers quality food. Every single guest receives dedicated butler service, which transforms your stay from nice vacation to unforgettable experience. Your butler handles everything from unpacking your luggage to arranging romantic surprises, booking spa treatments, and even organizing off-site excursions. This level of personalized attention makes you feel less like a hotel guest and more like visiting royalty. Let's talk about where you'll actually be staying because the accommodations here are genuinely impressive. El Dorado Casitas Royale offers 192 casitas, and every single one comes with its own private plunge pool. Yes, you read that correctly. Every room has a swim-out suite design, meaning you can literally roll out of bed, walk through your private terrace, and slip into your own personal pool without seeing another soul. The entry-level Casita Suite Swimout spans 86 square meters, which translates to about 925 square feet of pure comfort. You'll find a king-size bed draped with elegant mosquito netting that adds romantic ambience, a separate living area perfect for morning coffee, and a private terrace with that infinity-edge plunge pool overlooking lush tropical gardens. The outdoor shower is a game-changer, letting you rinse off under the stars after an evening swim. Inside, you'll discover a fully stocked minibar that includes premium liquors, not just cheap beer and soda. There's an espresso machine for coffee lovers, a smart television for those rare moments you want entertainment, and an in-room safe for valuables. Twice daily housekeeping ensures your space stays immaculate, and those plush robes make you feel pampered every time you slip them on. The butler service included with every casita means you have someone dedicated to making your stay perfect, whether that's arranging a surprise champagne delivery or securing dinner reservations at the most popular restaurant. If you want to step things up, consider the Casita Rooftop Terrace Suite Swimout, which expands to 100 square meters or about 1,076 square feet. This upgraded option adds a private rooftop hot tub with 360-degree views, perfect for stargazing while soaking in warm bubbling water. The rooftop also features outdoor dining space for 4 people, making it ideal if you want to enjoy a private meal prepared by your butler. Many guests choose this option for proposals or anniversary celebrations because the sunset views from that rooftop are absolutely breathtaking. For those seeking the absolute pinnacle of luxury, the Casita Presidential Suite Swimout delivers 2 bedrooms spanning 205 square meters or 2,200 square feet. This massive suite accommodates up to 4 adults and includes 2 separate plunge pools, a full kitchenette, and the option for private chef service. You get direct beachfront access with hammocks strung between palm trees, creating that postcard-perfect Caribbean scene. The personal concierge service goes beyond standard butler duties, essentially giving you a dedicated vacation planner who anticipates your needs before you even voice them. Some suites even feature wine cellars stocked with premium selections. Pricing varies significantly by season, with summer rates for the basic swimout casita starting around $600 to $800 per night, while winter and holiday periods can push prices to $1,200 to $1,800 nightly. The rooftop suites range from $800 to $1,100 in low season and $1,500 to $2,200 during peak times. Presidential suites start at $2,000 and can exceed $4,000 per night during high-demand periods. While these prices might seem steep, remember this is truly all-inclusive with premium everything, so you're not nickel and dimed once you arrive. Now let's discuss what might be the best part of any vacation, the food and drinks. El Dorado Casitas Royale operates 9 different dining venues, each offering distinct culinary experiences without requiring advance reservations for most meals. El Patio serves as the main Mexican fusion restaurant, featuring open-air seating where you can enjoy authentic tacos al pastor, fresh ceviche bursting with citrus and cilantro, and rich mole poblano that takes hours to prepare properly. The restaurant operates from 7 in the morning until 11 at night, covering breakfast, lunch, and dinner with resort casual dress code. They host special Taco Tuesdays that draw crowds eager to sample different regional taco varieties paired with premium tequilas. The colorful presentation of dishes here makes every meal Instagram-worthy, with vibrant, fresh guacamole prepared tableside and beautiful beachside tables offering ocean breezes. For more casual midday dining, La Sandwicherie operates from 11 in the morning to 5 in the evening, serving gourmet sandwiches, fresh salads, and elevated burgers that go way beyond typical poolside fare. Think hearty paninis stuffed with quality ingredients and tropical sides that refresh you between beach sessions. When you're craving Italian cuisine, Venoro provides an intimate wine cellar atmosphere with seating for just 40 guests, making reservations recommended here. The menu focuses on authentic pasta dishes, creamy risottos, and carefully curated charcuterie boards, all complemented by a wine list featuring over 200 selections from around the world. Dinner service runs from 6 until 11, with elegant casual dress code encouraged. They host weekly wine tasting events where a sommelier guides you through different varietals while explaining tasting notes and proper pairing techniques. The candlelit ambience makes this a favorite for anniversary dinners and special celebrations. Helios offers Mediterranean and international cuisine with spectacular oceanfront seating perfect for watching the sunset while dining. Their seafood paella arrives in a massive pan filled with saffron rice, fresh shrimp, mussels, and tender pieces of fish. The grilled octopus is cooked to tender perfection and served with bright lemon and herbs. Smart casual attire is requested for dinner service from 6 to 11, and they feature themed nights including Greek evenings with traditional music and dancing. Multiple bars scattered throughout the property keep the drinks flowing from 10 in the morning until 1 in the morning. The Tequileria specializes in premium tequila flights, letting you sample different varieties from budget-friendly to ultra-premium aged options. Mixology shows happen regularly, with bartenders demonstrating flair techniques while creating elaborate cocktails. The Infinity Bar overlooks the main pool, serving colorful tropical drinks that taste as good as they look. Because this is a gourmet-inclusive resort, you have access to top-shelf liquors without extra charges, a significant upgrade from typical all-inclusive properties that reserve premium brands for additional fees. The resort accommodates dietary restrictions beautifully, with abundant vegan and gluten-free options at every venue. You won't find kids' menus here since this is an adults-only property, but that means the culinary team focuses entirely on sophisticated flavors that appeal to grown-up palates. The pool and beach facilities at El Dorado Casitas Royale create that quintessential Caribbean paradise experience you've been dreaming about. The resort features 5 distinct pools designed for different moods and preferences. 3 of these are intimate adults-only infinity swimout pools directly attached to casita terraces, giving you private access whenever you want a quick dip without crowds. The main infinity pool is the showstopper, spanning 1,000 square meters with depths ranging from 1.2 to 1.5 meters, perfect for wading and swimming without being too deep. This central pool features a swim-up bar where you can order tropical cocktails without leaving the water, plus comfortable submerged bar stools that let you socialize while staying cool. Comfortable cabanas line the pool deck, available for guests who want shaded relaxation with waiter service delivering drinks and snacks throughout the day. The 5th pool is designated as a quiet relaxation pool, perfect for those moments when you want to float peacefully with a book rather than joining the social scene. All pools are heated during winter months, ensuring comfortable swimming even when evening temperatures drop. The pools operate from 7 in the morning until 11 at night year-round, with staff providing fresh towels and attentive waiter service throughout operating hours. You can order from a poolside menu featuring light bites and refreshing beverages without ever leaving your lounge chair. The beach itself is absolutely stunning, featuring pristine white sand so fine it squeaks under your feet and calm turquoise waters that look photoshopped but are completely real. The resort maintains 300 meters of private beach frontage, meaning you're not competing with public beachgoers for space. Beach butlers roam the sand, offering fresh towels, setting up palapas for shade, and taking drink orders so you never have to trek back to a bar. Complimentary water activities include kayaks for exploring the coastline, stand-up paddleboards for a core workout with a view, and snorkeling gear for checking out the colorful fish near the shore. If you want to venture further out, catamaran excursions are available for an additional fee, taking you to better snorkeling spots or simply cruising along the coast at sunset. The beach waiter service means you can enjoy full meals right on the sand, with servers bringing everything from fresh ceviche to grilled seafood platters directly to your beach chair. The calm waters here make swimming pleasant for all skill levels, without the rough waves or strong currents you'll find at some Caribbean beaches. Some guests note that seaweed can accumulate during certain seasons, particularly from May through October, which is a natural occurrence throughout the Riviera Maya region. The resort staff works diligently to clear seaweed daily, but Mother Nature sometimes wins that battle during peak sargassum season. Beyond lounging by pools and beaches, El Dorado Casitas Royale offers numerous activities to keep you entertained throughout your stay. The fitness center operates from 6 in the morning until 9 at night, equipped with modern cardio machines, free weights, TRX suspension training systems, and even Peloton bikes for cycling enthusiasts who don't want to miss their favorite classes. A dedicated yoga studio hosts daily classes ranging from gentle morning flows to more challenging vinyasa sessions, plus Pilates classes that strengthen your core and improve flexibility. Aqua aerobics classes happen in the main pool, providing a fun, low-impact workout that doesn't feel like exercise when you're surrounded by tropical beauty. The daily activity schedule posted around the resort lists everything happening that day, from dance lessons to beach volleyball tournaments. Salsa classes are particularly popular, with instructors teaching basic steps before the evening entertainment begins. The resort hosts live music every single night, featuring different genres from romantic acoustic guitar to upbeat Caribbean rhythms that get people dancing. Wednesday and Saturday nights bring spectacular fire shows where performers twirl flaming batons and breathe fire against the dark ocean backdrop. The Teeter Casitas presents professional productions including cabaret performances, acrobatic shows, and themed entertainment that rivals what you'd find at much larger resorts. Seasonal events add special touches throughout the year, with elaborate New Year's Eve galas featuring champagne toasts and fireworks, plus Dia de Muertos celebrations in early November that honor Mexican traditions with decorated altars and traditional foods. Because this is an adults-only resort, you won't find any kids clubs or family-oriented activities, which is exactly what many guests appreciate. The atmosphere remains sophisticated and peaceful, letting couples focus on reconnecting without distractions. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our best hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.